Here we go again, guys. Here we go again. We have another 1 hour session today. Same like yesterday, we'll try to resolve those conflicts we're getting yesterday. Conflicts, as in, we had imported a couple of files from a previous game. Because we had not imported some of them, it was giving me a couple of errors, right? If that gets solved in 1 hour, otherwise I may have to extend this session. I will start recording so that you can see what's happening on the screen. I don't remember where that is. OBS. I hope there are no power cuts for today at least. But all that we can do is hope. If a power cut happens, it happens. Cannot do a lot about a lot. So, I'm starting the recording. Boom. Let me see if the video is recording in here or not. Yeah, it is. I hope it's nice and clean. But if it's not, we'll do something about it. Please, no more breaking things. Okay, so here we are, dev. Boom boom, and we'll open it with Z. We have something here. So, did I meet those changes here? Did I? Now, did I? I don't remember. But it looks like the font is okay. Let me see if ligatures are on. Looks good to me. Let it scan. Oh, I will have to pause it here because we have an update anyways. I'll press on this so that there is an update before this happens, and then we can, yeah, updating Z. Meantime, I will also do introducing parallel agents. Oh my god, run multiple threads for your favorite agents simultaneously cross projects. We're not going to use agents anyway for the project. And keep it raw as much as we can. Okay, so we have something. Caro Clippy is running. I don't know how is this running because we just Clippy and Clippy. Oh, it's installed, so it's working. Pending. Standard C format. Cool. Yeah, I think it's blocked because it is working. While that happens, we'll just go and set a timer for 1 hour. I don't think I want that. So that is done. This is done. We have latest version. Nightly. I don't think there was any change. Okay, so here we are. Better. So we have cursor options. Cursor options is a private field, so we don't have cursor options. Permission needed for us. What are you talking about? So cloud radius. What is cloud radius? Cloud radius. Base radius. What is base radius? Base radius. So base radius is f32. If it is f32, this is f32. Fast end is f32. This is f32. What do you need? Maybe this one? Why is there no mini map? Minimap, 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 minimap. Okay, so there are no occurrences. I need to add minimap. But कहाँ? Maybe just in the root. Yes, now we have the minimap. Can we increase the size though? Right open, customize some border style, left open. So we can do a hover. Uh, One thing always is display in max width columns number thumb border. But we only have these many options. Current line height. Yeah, we can leave it. I think this is because I'm changing the font size for the editor, not the complete IDE. If I change the IDE's size, this will also get affected. It's fine for now, right? You don't need to go into a lot of depth. I just wanted to have a general overlook of what's happening here. Yeah, now where were we? We were somewhere here. Not even here, we were somewhere here. So this is casting. Basically we have the thing and then we are trying to cast it to F32. This is not something that I want. I want it to be from how to create a new F32 value. This is where we go to Claude. Looking for from more specifically, but nah, not exactly explicitly. Nah, this is not we want. What we want. There's a turbo fish syntax we can go with. Not this one. Into. Into. Into we can do. Yep, this into is going to convert into F32. F32 is the required field for this, because we have, or what we can do is, one, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we can just mention it as F32. What are you talking about? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how you wonder what you are. Up above the sky, like a diamond fish. I cannot do it here. Yeah, I think I cannot do that here. Come. Or I can just do it this way. Yeah, we need to cast it into something. But what is twinkle speed? It's unknown, right? What do you mean by into? In which type are you going to convert it into? 64. Nah. I'll just do it as F32. Yeah, that's what we want, right? Let me see what other things we have. If you want non on no op function, value is finite bits from. I don't want to explain it a lot. Just the, just the simple thing. I still have something about 18% battery left in my phone. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Again. Yeah, so that one's fixed. I guess majority of these are just, we need to mention them as F32, or it's just one file. Oh my god. So we don't have this thing anymore and this thing anymore. Cinematic camera. Space game camera. I don't think we'll be using this. Power setting for your space game. Yeah. I should be removing this as a whole. Clear color config custom. Render camera clear color config. We'll have to go through the docs.
So nothing's there.
16 to 17 then maybe. Baby camera. Where is baby camera? Search in baby render. Baby render. Here we are. We don't need this HDR thing. But is there something mentioned here?
HDR. Camera 3D
Now this is the syntax. Camera 3D and HDR. But I literally use them from the IntelliSense thing. Don't know what you say. Don't know what you say. Render asset usages. Sorted by Bevy asset. Bevy asset or Bevy asset instead. This is a thing about game engines, especially the ones that are coming new in the market. They're not evolved enough. They're not stable. There are breaking changes almost every other version. As someone who likes to live on the bleeding edge technology, it's our fate. This thing, cursor options.
हेलो जी बताइए मैम क्या नहीं आवाज़ आ रही Yeah, we can. Okay. मैं काम करूँ ना साथ साथ. Okay. तो cursor options visible. And cursor grab mode. Wait a second. Why is ah? So here's a new feature. G is not
something considered as a character by itself, I have time when I press G. That is what it is showing before. And when I don't give it any input, the cursor comes forward with which I type. So when I do G and D, it takes me to the reference or declaration. Can? Yeah, I can hear you. Can? Yeah, so window. Now I want the grab mode. Cursor grab mode, none. Yeah, but I don't think I will need this option. I think I want to grab it. And we are all set, at least for this file, but there is still one error. This cost thing. Method type F32. How come? Hmm.
Actually, I don't want to do that. Microphone of that remove type.
Anyways, I don't think this is an error in the first place. Give me a second, let me check how much battery is still left. We are at 10%, guys. We are at 10%. Player pose. Player position. So player transform, translation, truncate. But what is this saying? Type indentation is needed. Okay, then most for it is. What is this talk to? No method gets around. There is no method get single. So yeah, single was actually deprecated for a long time. Most probably they removed it. Yeah, similarly this one. So this file is also done. Camera is done. Setup is done. Setup is done. Camera is done. Whoa, we're not going serial wise. How's that? Rapier. Okay, we don't have rapier. We don't have this. We don't have projectiles. We don't have states. And it's sorted. This file is going to have lots and lots and lots and lots of errors. So we don't have gravity, right? But this is a game file. I don't think I need anything in this in the first place. Setup, I don't need this. Game with turret, nah, I don't need this file at all. Welcome back. अभी 1 बजने में 20 मिनट बाकी है. 12:40 हो रहे हैं. Where's my mouse? Yeah, here it is. I will start from starting the OBS. Run in safe mode. What happened? Yeah. And then what is it that I need? I need Z. I need to open Z. This location. Open Z. Nice. What? There is another update? How frequently are they updating this? Zero updates. Why do it disconnect automatically? Maybe if I don't speak for a long time, it disconnects. I don't know. This is not something that should be happening, no? Restart to update. Audible? Okay, here we are. Here we are. I'll put this mic in such a position that it's loud and clear. Even though I'm not speaking or not loudly, I hope my voice is getting recorded fine. दुनिया उम्मीद पे कायम है एक और बड़ा तो where were we guys? We were fixing the party system, okay? So now so far we have no problem in what the fuck is this? Okay, so we have errors in this audio. Wait, audio we don't have. Oh, we have a problem in cameras. What are you talking about? I need to import faster. So that was an extra point. Bloom code pipeline. Where was Bloom again? So we'll go into the migration guides and we'll just check for Bloom. Nothing. Must be in this. Bloom. We have two occurrences. If you are putting Bloom, we must now import from the post process. This should be fine, right? And what is in here? Fast one. So while this compiles, we'll just make it go down, and then we'll go to audio, check if something's wrong here. Nothing's wrong here. Camera, nothing's wrong here. Nothing's wrong here. Nothing's wrong here. Everything's fine here. At least majority of it. Oh, I don't think I can say anything right now. Just building dependencies. Okay, so we'll wait. We'll start from audio game once it's done. There are going to be a lot of errors, but comparatively still less. Setup. Oh my god. Oh my god. A lot of them. तो कहाँ थे हम? कहीं तो थे. हम इसको बंद कर देते हैं. This device full of distractions. I don't like distractions. Maybe I do, but majority of it I don't. I don't like distractions. I don't like distractions. So this is where we are, no? This is where we are. This is where we are. No logo? Why is there no logo? No logo. I don't know. I'm not interested in this. A lot on update to deal with. Okay, so audio. So there's our first game state. Yeah, we don't have a game state. What do we do with that? We don't play music. Manage background music. Game state. So we were playing different music on the basis of the game state we were in. Cool. We don't need this. Current state. It's changed. We need that, yeah. It's changed. Let's some entity existing get and audio background none. Ticky. Music files. Current state. I don't have current state anymore. After that, I also don't have music entity.
40, 40, 50. This is the best solution. Just eliminate the problem. Attack is the best defense. We don't have that error anymore. Cool. But we have that error here. Current state gets state. Okay, so if there is a state, just do the state. I don't think we can do that because this is managed background music, right? So I will need a function that is playing background music. It's just that it is doing on the basis of this audio state background music entity. Is that music file? I just need a music file. So menu theme, combat theme. I will also need that later anyways because maybe game state is something that we need. Let me check. So the thing is, regardless of the game, there are a couple of things that we always need. Particle systems, camera effects, movement systems. There can be a variety of movement systems, but some of them are majority of times replicated. Like W moves forward. It can either be used as jump in 2D games or moving forward in 3D games. A and D, we go left and right. So moving left and moving right, that is making a pixel disappear in the current frame and make it appear on a little bit left or on the left of that the
I want to remember Game Street. You existing background using a status. Nah, I don't want to stop it. Nice change, okay? Yeah, so basically it doesn't have any change. I'll just remove this function. Then I will do like I don't want this. And so I want this. What I will do is any of this I will just keep theme linear theme combat I don't need this one, I don't need this one, I don't need a match. But this is not right. I want. I think this is what. So yeah, now we have a string. That's exactly what we need. And on this of that, our music will be changed all the time. We don't need this industry music. Yeah, why not? Let's change that. Okay, let's bring its thing. Once it's done, begin see back orders. Game shape that is done. Engine view. Delete it. Oh, is it not recording? It's not recording. Yeah, it's not recording. It has not been recording my audio. Shit. So what we have done so far is we didn't need that game state thing in a lot of places. So what we did was remove that. That is pretty much it. Okay, so now we have this situation. Hmm.
Just eliminate the problem. Just eliminate. No more problem. So that our audio is clean. Trying to go for the camera. Are you sure that our audio is camera has no problems? Enemies has no problem. Why? Yeah, just not that. We don't have shade. Shade. We don't have shade. So we are removing game over, and I will introduce it back in once. Once we have game state implemented. Brief for it, okay? What is this about? Escapes outside of function. What is this? We come to this later. But this is basically this is a lifetime issue because this is the reference. The system, the Rust is not sure. Rust compiler is not sure whether this is going to last as long as we are going to use it. Because if it's null or an empty pointer or something like that, it is trying to avoid a dangling pointer. And so should we. So how do we fix this? We can make it as a string. What we can do is maybe that fixes it, I guess. We will wait for the car open condition and see. I don't think we have that error. So what we have done is we have converted it to string. This string is on the heap memory and it is known at the compile time. It is not a reference pointer, so there are no lifetime related problems. It is a smart pointer. The value will be dropped automatically. This is something similar to RAI in C++. Resource acquisition is initialization. So with that, this is done. What next? What next? Camera, we don't have problem, right? Keys, we don't have problem. Game data, we don't have problem. This we do have a problem. Game states and states. The United States of the game. States. How do I just remove it? Go on health detection and light spectrum. How about no lights left? Player is dead. You should trigger right. Defeat a game over. But yeah, I don't have to update the state just here. Because I'm not using it, I'm just so now what will happen is instead of moving to the next state, that is game over state, then we just remain in the game state playing. And now because we are still playing, it will just show us the dead state. Maybe we can still move it around because that logic has a couple of more things. I don't know. So these are clean. That is why there is nothing, but this one has a warning. That is why there is that triangle, and these ones have crosses. So we just need to work on the ones that are showing crosses. Nice. This is nice. Health bar is not being used. This variable will just this temporarily this stuff. This is a way to tell compiler that hey, I have this variable, but not planning to use it anytime soon. What is this? Inputs. So let's create escape key handler. Just if I press the escape key, quit the game. App exit success, right? Escape. Where is exit? Where is exit coming? Where's that exit coming? Current state. Current state dot if. Where is current state? What did I remove? Exit this one. This is what we need. This we can delete. Exit is not working. How come? Give me right in the scope. Fine. I got this. So this is not. We have to check what happened to this. Where is Event Writer? Study process exit. Study process exit. Where we have app exit writer, event writer. We don't have event writer. Commands and over. Oh, what are you talking? Make it approaches. Ah, this is nice. So we have commands. No, we don't. Yeah, I think that is command save includes. So exit. Done. We don't need any of this. This is exactly what we have done. No, guys. So mute commands and commands. Multiple commands as commands. What is this? Show me a problem then. Version of commands that works in parallel. Hmm. Yeah. I need this one working, guys. This one. debug info. I don't think there is going to be any debug info. DWD. Contact for website. User fixed. This is only you know what? Boom. Mod is fixed. So now we have particles set up. We do have a lot of stuff. But yeah, I think that is it for today. I'll just record this and I will post this